even cute. It was like cheap looking. Yeah. It was like some $20 dress. I don't know where she got that thing from, but yeah, I'm gonna call you back. Sir, yes.
Hold on. Fake feel.
Thank you, thanks.
Can't get to know it.
No.
Yeah, so I have one Jordan, look, see it? Match my shirt, swag. Soggy.
Okay. Do you have a car?
Car?
Yes.
10-2 turbo. Me not get me tax return money.
Okay.
Me soon buy one.
Yeah.
See a nice little blue buggy when me have my iPad.
So what do you want?
Your number? Panty size, your bra size.
Pick one.
In your life, boy.
There you go.
So you're dealing me so.
What do you want?
Me want your number.
Don't yell at me.
You
You asking for something and you're yelling.
I want your number.
Okay, whatever.
No, where fourth, whatever.
Brother, fourth of the wheel up there, so you last, you know. I think I...
Yo! QQ!
Yeah?
You know QQ? The one that sing. What you gonna say? What you gonna do? Okay. Yes, oh you know it.
Yeah.
And the other one, the new one with him, one drop.
Yeah.
Something like so,
I don't
right?
really saw the dance, but still, but
Oh.
yeah, you can.
Oh,
we still
yeah,
don't know the
but
photo.
anyway, sir,
Eh?
sir, take that picture in front of you. Come no man, put it on, just click, you hear it? Come no man, yo. Pass me foot. Where you say you want to go again?
Foot.
Alright, come on, let me show you.
A little bitch. Are we out here, so dogs? You go take me, girl.
Nothing no wrong.